हम थोड़ी देर बाद आऊंगी। We will go a little later. We will go a little later. मैंने तुम्हें रुला दिया। I made you cry. I made you cry. तुम मेरे लिए सबसे प्रिय हो। You are the most beloved to me. You are the most beloved to me. आप ये गलत कर रहे हैं। You are doing it wrong. You are doing it wrong. आपको आने की जरूरत नहीं है। You don't have to come. You don't have to come. ये खुद का व्यवसाय है। This is on business. This is on business. क्या पास में कोई बैंक है? Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby? देरी के लिए मैं माफी चाहता हूँ। I am sorry for the delay. I am sorry for the delay. क्या आपका उससे संपर्क है? Do you have contact with him? Do you have contact with him? मुझे किसका इंतजार करना चाहिए? What should I wait for? What should I wait for? अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? क्या आप हवाई जहाज या ट्रेन से जाएंगी? Will you go by plane or train? Will you go by plane or train? वो मेरा इंतजार कर रही है। She is waiting for me. She is waiting for me. आपने पहली काम कहाँ किया था? Where did you work before? Where did you work before? मैं कल छुट्टी लूँगा। I will take leave tomorrow. I will take leave tomorrow. अपनी जूती उतारो। Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. मैं इसे भी खरीदूंगा। I will buy it too. I will buy it too. बंगाली मेरी मातृभाषा है। Bengali is my mother language. Bengali is my mother language. आप यहाँ पर कितनी समय से हैं? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? क्या आपने किसी को यहाँ जाने देखा है? Have you seen anyone go here? Have you seen anyone go here? क्या आपने भोजन किया? Did you have lunch? Did you have lunch? सोने से पहले अपने दांतों को ब्रश करें। Brush your teeth before going to bed. Brush your teeth before going to bed. मुझे अभी भी बहुत कुछ करना है। I still have a lot to do. I still have a lot to do. वो अभी घर पर नहीं है. She is not at home now. She is not at home now. आज उनका परिवार आ रहा है. His family is coming today. His family is coming today. मैं अभी थोड़ा व्यस्त हूँ. I am a little busy now. I am a little busy now. मुझे आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect that from you. I didn't expect that from you. मैं एक पल में वापस आऊंगा. I will be back in a moment. I will be back in a moment. मैं अभी वापस आ जाऊंगा. I will be right back. I will be right back. मैंने अभी तक लंच नहीं किया है. I have not had lunch yet. I have not had lunch yet. आपकी द्वारा ये कितनी सालों से किया जा रहा है. How long have you been doing this? How long have you been doing this? और कोई रास्ता नहीं है. There is no other way. There is no other way. आज बारिश की कोई संभावना नहीं है. There is no chance of rain today. There is no chance of rain today. मैं उसे बहुत पसंद करता हूँ. I like her very much. I like her very much. मैं आपका नाम भूल गया हूँ. I have forgotten your name. I have forgotten your name. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाने की ज़रूरत है. I think I need to go to the doctor. I think I need to go to the doctor. मुझे एक सिंगल कमरा चाहिए. I'd like a single room. I'd like a single room. जैसा मैंने तुमसे कहा था वैसा करो. Do as I told you. Do as I told you. मेरी माता पिता लंदन में है. My parents are in London. My parents are in London. जब मैं जाऊंगा तो तुम्हें फोन करूंगा. I will call you when I go. I will call you when I go. मेरी कार काम नहीं कर रही है. My car is not working. My car is not working. क्या आपने अपना होमवर्क किया है? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? मैं बाहर जाने के लिए तैयार हो रहा हूँ. I am getting ready to go out. I am getting ready to go out. सबके लिए धन्यवाद. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. कोई मेरी मदद नहीं कर रहा है. No one is helping me. नो वन इज हेल्पिंग मी। वे बहुत व्यस्त थे। दे आर वेरी बिजी। दे आर वेरी बिजी।